Hello everyone, today I will discuss about very vital topic of Indian polity, that is article. My channel name is PPR with Shan. So if its video is useful for all, then please like, share and subscribe my channel. Then start union and this territory. First article first is name and territory of union. Then second is administration or establishment of new state. Third is formation of a new state and alteration of area boundary or name or existing state. Yeah, that is important because when a new state created, it's necessary to area and boundary, as like a boundary of India, boundary of Bangladesh. So then citizenship. Article 6, right of citizenship of the certain person who have migrated to India from Pakistan, who migrate Pakistan to India, that means. And second is right to citizenship of certain migrate to Pakistan, who migrate India to Pakistan. Okay. And then Article 8, right of citizenship of certain person of Indian origin residing outside India, who birth in India but in purpose of study, business or job. So he resided outside of India, that means UK, Bangladesh, USA as a country. Then fundamental rights, Article 12, definition of state. 14, this is very important, equality before law. Then 15, prohibition of a discrimination on ground of religious, race, caste, sex or place of birth. This is prohibited. Then 16 is equality of opportunity of matter of the public employment. 17 is the abolition of untouchability. 18 is abolition of the title. 19, it's very important, please star mark of 3 star. Protection of the certain right regarding freedom of speech, etc. 20 is protection of the respect of the conviction for offenses. Protection of offenses, that means who convicted, who convict offenses, any other offenses for this he convicted, this person are protected by this article. 21, the protection of the life or personal liability, that means liability, protection of life or liability, personal liability. Personal liability, that means what is the independence, that is independence, personal liability, independence, the life independence. Then 21 is the right to the elementary education, that means necessary for for children 6 to 12 elementary education. Okay. Then 22, protection of the against the arrest or the detention of certain cases, as well as criminal. Okay. Article 23, prohibition of the traffic of human being and forced labor. Okay. 23, prohibition of a traffic of the human being and forced labor. Oh sorry, this is also repeated. 24, prohibition of the employment of the children of the factories, etc. Okay. Prohibition employment and child in, that means child labor. 25, freedom of the consequence and free profession practice and the propagate of the religious, that is totally religious factor. 25 to 28. Okay. 26, freedom of the manner of the religious affair. 27, of number of article, freedom as to payment of taxes for the promotion of any particular religion. 28, freedom of the attendance of the at religious institution or the religious worship in certain educational institution. Okay. 29, protection of minorities, actually minors ke protect kora is necessary. Protected minorities, SC as minorities, that means in society is lower number of people present, that's called minorities, who all time fight against upper classes. Article 30, right of minority to establish and the administrator educational institution. 31, compulsory acquisition of property, that is repeal. 32, this is not added me, but it's important. So where 32 is rights of the Supreme Court. 30, B.R. Ambedkar said it's most important article in the Constitution, so it's necessary to. So I'm sorry. So it my faults. Then you please write this article 32 is very important rights of Supreme Court. Then directive principle of the state policy. 36, definition of the state. Okay. Then 38, state to secure a social order for the promotion of welfare of people. Okay. 39, certain principle of the policy to be followed by the state. It's necessary to follow the state. So 39A, equal justice and the free legal aid. 40, it's very important, 3-star must be added. Organization of the village panchayat. Article 42, uniform civil code of the citizen, it's also important. 50, separation of judiciary from executive. 51, promotion of international peace and security. It's necessary for our then fundamental duties. 51, fundamental duties and president and the vice president. 52, the president of India. 53, executive power of the union. And 54, election of the president. Then next video will coming immediately.